Hey, Sarah. So let's see what we got here. Can't figure out how to change text on products. I used to do it by either typing it in or by clicking on the cogwheel and making the change there. Quick tips on products would be helpful. So let's go to a product. So just go up here where it says edit product. Don't do this enable visual editor. Do edit product. And then you can kind of ignore this Divi builder. In my opinion, this is just how the page is built. You know, there's the image, there's a testimonial. If you're looking for the content, I believe it's like down here. So product short description, and then product long description. Excuse me. And that's where you can change that text. And then just go over here and click update. That's product description. On the drop down, it currently says products, but since it's that time of year, I wanted to say farm stand and seedlings on that main drop down menu. Okay, so if we go back to your website, and there's your menu. So I will enable the visual builder here. Okay, this is just your old menu at top here. I just kept it. We could probably just delete it, but I just wanted to keep it. Then we go here. Oh, this isn't where we need to do it. Sorry. We need to go here. Sandiwood Farms under menus. And under products here, instead of products, we say farm stand and seedlings. Save menu. Okay, the menu saved. And now it says farm stand seedlings, which is a lot. I would probably just say farm stand and then do seedlings because look, now the contact cart is getting knocked underneath. So just a thought there. Maybe we can go in here and make this a little bit smaller, but okay, that's just shrinking the logo. We don't want that. We want to shrink the whole. So this column is. So this is just kind of the like the wormhole you can get into here. Like I would just make that say farm stand, and then you want these to be brief anyway, like 1 or 2 words. I know you got 2 words there, but let's see here. I just want the width of this. I just want the width of this column. Oh, I guess the column structure is set up this way. I don't even know what that means. Short and long, and then you're not going to let me determine what this is. Oh boy. Oh, a little bit longer, a little bit. No, we don't want that. If anything, we want even shorter, smaller. There we go. That's the one. Okay, fine now. So now we can just go down here and click save. I just don't know what I'm doing in here a lot because it's Divi. I'm not really used to it, but it's fine. Okay, what was your last one? Went to the menu, so we did that. But I don't see where to make the exact change and add seedlings next to farm stand on the drop down. It says products. I think I've done that right. If you want to add seedlings, if you're wanting to add seedlings to farm stand here, this is where you would do it. So I'll just do it. Seedlings. But it seems a little weird to call this both things. So I'm just going to revert this back to products, and you know where to change it now if you want to. Or maybe you want that farm stand seedlings. I don't know. Let me try and read this again. On the drop down menu currently says products, but since the time I'm wanting it to say fertilizer seedlings on that main drop down menu. Okay, I feel like you're wanting me to change products to farm stand and seedlings. Once we see where to make that exact change and add seedlings to next to farm stand on the drop down menu. I did that too. So if you want to change it, it's right. It's right over here under appearance and menus. Another way to get to it is under Sandiwood Farm. There's menus right there. And what was the last one? Why don't I see the banner about seedling sales on the homepage that I put there? I see it on my phone and it's not looking as you pointed out. I tried to change it better and I don't even see it on the computer now. Let's see here. Oh. Hit the gear here. Conditions. Visibility. Disable on tablet desktop. That was probably me. That's my fault. So you can disable these on different devices. So now we show it on everything. Check that box. Oh gosh, gotta save it. Can't forget to save. Okay. Yeah, so there that is. Yeah, I would just. So a lot of times what you put on the desktop isn't going to look good on the the phone. So here it is for the phone. Yoink. So sometimes what you could do is just say, hey, okay, I'm going to duplicate this section. And then this gear, I'll say this top one is for not for the phone. And then I'll say this other one here, hit the gear, go to advanced, go to visibility, and say this one is for the phone. So we'll disable it on tablet and desktop. And then I would just probably come in here. I don't even know. Like, this is just where I just struggle with it because it's like, I don't know Divi. What are we doing here? This is the row. First, I would just find out where that background's at and get rid of it. Background image. Okay, it's not on the column. It's not there. All right. Okay, let's name this Seedlings Mobile. Seedlings. Desktop. So Seedlings mobile. What the hell is going on here? It's a row, it's a column, it's text. But the image is on this. Where's the background? There it is. Let's just get rid of it. Why is this thing so tall? Why is it so tall? Okay, all kinds of stuff here. Let's just reset all this. What is going on? Column. Text. Is that all you were saying? No, there's all this other text. Where's all the other text at? Why did all this other text disappear? Oh, what the fuck? And now it all just disappeared? Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. This is where I just don't have time for it. I would just do something simple. Oh my god. What is going on with this text? I'm just going to copy it now. Let's go back to mobile. There it is. I'm so confused. Well, that's what I would do. This one, I believe, is... I'm just going to disable this bottom one for everything. Oh, actually, no. I won't. This row, where's this text coming from? There's all the text. Oh my god. Alright. It's probably just being weird because builders are weird sometimes, and for whatever reason it's cutting off the text. Oh my god. What is going on? Is there a bunch of spaces in there? Oh, okay. Using spaces to try and create layout. That's a no. Because it's just going to screw up your... You got to use the tools in the WYSIWYG to do style stuff. Don't force it with spaces, but that happens. I get it. Okay. Sizing. Minimum height. No, just leave that off. Don't force it to be a certain height. What else? What's going on? Why are you so tall? Sizing, spacing, this, I don't even know what this is, just get rid of it. Okay, it's not in there. Is it the row? height. No, just get rid of that. Width, make it 100%. No, 80 was better. Still not looking right. What's up with all this extra space here? Margin tab. I don't know. This box shadow, is this you? Where's this box shadow coming from? Turn that off. Why is there so much space below here? This? There we go. Okay. We can have some, just not a bunch. And then where's the graphic at? Hey, baby boy. I'll let you out in a minute, buddy. I know. Come on. Jesus Christ. There we go. Alright, so just jump into Photoshop. Just gotta jump into Photoshop real quick and get rid of that red important announcement bar, because that's, if we didn't have that, this would be easier. And there's other ways you can do that. You really don't want any kind of you really don't want any kind of text on an image, because then when you run into problems like this, you don't have to deal with it. Alright, can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just making your image different. All right. What was this on? This background. This maybe. And I think we would just, let's see, what is this? Background image position, say bottom center. Offset, let's just see if we can drop. Okay, you're not going to show it to me. Vertical offset. Should be sinking down a little bit. No, whoops, no repeat. Yeah, that's not too bad. This vertical offset should be sinking these plants down just a bit. You could add more padding, but I don't know, padding's just a little sketchy. So let's take a look on my phone. Better than it was. It's legible. Anyway, I hope that takes care of it. And no problem, and talk soon.